Nutrition is the process by which organisms take in food, break it down, absorb nutrients, use them for growth and repair, and remove waste. The 5 main steps are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Ingestion means taking food and drinks into the body through the mouth. Digestion breaks food into smaller parts that the body can absorb. Absorption moves nutrients from digested food into the blood or lymph. Assimilation is the use of absorbed nutrients by cells and tissues. Egestion removes undigested food and waste from the body. Nutrition is important because it supports growth and development, provides energy, repairs tissues and cells, and helps keep the body healthy. There are 2 major modes of nutrition. Autotrophic organisms, such as green plants, make their own food from inorganic substances using light or chemical energy. Heterotrophic organisms, such as animals and humans, obtain food by